Right, number 4, we have 9a to the 4 plus 12a squared b squared plus 4b to the 4th. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above? All right, so we have to go through the answer choices and see which one is equivalent to that. Okay, but the good news is we don't necessarily have to multiply them all the way out. Okay, so we can look for some key terms, and then if they don't match, we can eliminate the wrong answers. So for example, if we start with a, right, so we have 3a squared plus 2b squared, the whole thing is squared. We can first expand this. Okay, so we can say this is 3a squared plus 2b squared times another 3a squared plus 2b squared. Okay, and then to multiply this out, we have to distribute and multiply. So this will be like the FOIL pattern here. Okay, so we do first term times the first term. 3a squared times 3a squared is 9a to the 4th. Right, and then we can do outer term, inner term, and the last term. Like we mentioned, we don't necessarily have to multiply everything out, right? Because we know the leading term had to be 9a to the 4th, and for a, that's good. We do have 9a to the 4th. But you see, we check the other answer choices. If you have 3a to the 4th power, that would be, well, we get 9a to the 4th. No, right? Because 3 to the 4th, we raise 3 to the 4th, that would be 81. Okay, so that 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is not 3 times 4, is 3 times is 4 times. So we get the leading term should be 81a to the 4th, which is, doesn't match. Okay, it doesn't match, so it's not going to be b. So just by looking at the leading term, we can eliminate b. All right, so similarly, we can look at a leading term for c. It will be 9a squared. If we square that, it'll be 81a to the 4th. So again, that doesn't match. And lastly, we do 9 to the 4th, so that would be like, what 9 to the 4th is going to be a big number. Okay, but either way, it won't be 9, right? Okay, it'll be 9 to the 4th and then 8 to the 4th, so that doesn't work. So the only one that works have to be a, because that's the only one that gives us 9a to the 4th for our leading term. Okay, so we don't even have to multiply everything out, so we know a had to be correct. All right, so always look for things that can simplify the math a little bit, so that will save us time, right? Instead of multiply everything out. So for this one, A will be our answer.